All right, here's our other unboxing here. These are from Meyer and Watt. Really neat family of gem collectors. Family run operation. These are the things I was most excited to see. So we've got a nice little collection of stuff we're going to pull out here. But these are the ones that I was most excited to see. So these are slices of diamond that have natural trigon inclusions in them. It's called a trapeche. Or no, I'm sorry, it's asteroided diamond pair. How cool is that? Then we've got a really pretty pair of watermelon tourmaline slices. Very cool. What else? Awesome giant boulder opal. These are just unboxing. Keep in mind, I'm going to take videos of all of these gems. I just really wanted to kind of play and give a sneak peek. These amazing morganites. So pretty. A beautiful blue flash. Let's see if we can get it to do the flash. We just don't have the right lighting here, but anyways, it's there. Stunning bicolor tourmaline. What else? Ha ha ha. This is one of my very most favorite gemstones, which is blue zircon. Exceptionally high refractive index, so that's why you get all the rainbow colors. Pretty. Pow. Hot pink spinel. Ooh, these are sunstones with a little bit of a cool Schiller effect. Neat. What do we got here? This is a zoisite. Zoisite is the same family of gem as tanzanite. Got green. Got a really pretty freeform rainbow moonstone. A few more, let's see here, 2 more spinels that are interesting. Really beautiful color. Spinel is a gemstone that is very much like sapphire. Very nice and durable, great for everyday wear. Here's something you're not going to see every day. This is a sapphire trapeche. Cabochon cut, very cool. One more baggie. What else do we have? Okay, we have a beautiful peach color sapphire. A really fun orange Montana sapphire. Alan, I'm looking at you. It was Spessartite. Yeah. Let's see, what do we have? We have a peach tourmaline. A very sweet little paisley buff top peridot. Killer pair of amaranth garnet. Blue zircon matched pair. In a very unusual cut. So these have a honeycomb cut. So they're super round and tall on the top. Again, I'll be taking more videos of everything. And then check these interesting sapphires out. These are party color sapphires, so they have multiple color zoning in them. Super fun. So that's all of the gems from Meyer and Watt.